into it. I got my key commands confused. It actually is function Shift F10. You have to click in the window, I'm sorry. Sorry. It is function Shift F10 for Mac. And it's Shift F10 for Windows. And that will get you your terminal. So this is how we're going to edit the registry. And then it's going to be breezy from this point on. So all you do is type regedit, and I have the commands right here on the right, if you can see on the screen. Type regedit. Whoops. Hit enter. And then the path is as such. You want to go down to H key, local machine. You want to go down to system. Okay, arrow down to, then you want to go to setup. And then what you want to do is you want to right click on setup, and you want to for Mac it would be command click to get that menu. So command click, and you want to go to new key, and that key is going to be called lab config, uppercase L, uppercase C, all one word, lab config. And then what you're going to do is we're going to create 3 keys from this lab config folder. So once again, you're going to right click, command click on Mac. It would be right click on Windows. And then what you're going to do is create a new D-word 32-bit value, and we're going to create 3 of them. So just click on it. And here's what they're called: bypass TPM check, bypass secure boot, and bypass RAM check. So we're going to bypass TPM, and make sure that you spell it just as such as you see on the screen. Okay, and then you hit enter, and then you go back to lab config, new D-word 32-bit value, bypass secure boot check, enter, and then back to lab config, new D-word 32-bit value. This is the last one, bypass RAM, all capital C, check. Okay, hit enter. And then the last but not least is we got to give it the values, all 3 of them. So all you do is you click on it again, modify the value, and enter 1. Okay, and it's going to be the same for all. I'm so used to doing this on PC, so the mouse is getting captured within Virtualbox, but we'll get there. So right click, modify 1. So remember that all the values are 1, and then you have to have the 3 keys, and that you're done. So that's it. All you have to do now is exit out of there, Just close that box, and then when you get back to this terminal, you want to type exit to terminate that process and hit return. Now it's going to be good to go. So we can just minimize this. Going to hit install now. And you're going to see how fast this goes. You're going to be amazed. I don't have a product key. I want to install Windows 11 Pro. I'm going to hit next. So as soon as you reach the license screen, that's how you know you have successfully entered your registry edits, and the Windows will now install. So you just go ahead and accept the license. And for most people that are watching this, I'm sure that you've already installed Windows before, so you know how to do these steps. So we're not upgrading. We're going to do the custom install Windows only, and we have a clean drive, 163 gigabytes to install Windows 11, and hit next. "57 seconds plus a minute," so it takes 7 minutes to install Windows on your Macintosh using Virtualbox. Now I'm going to go through the process so we can get to the guest editions, so you can drag and drop from your Mac to your PC.